StatTag can be downloaded from our website at www.stattag.org. From the website, click on the Download StatTag tab and follow the link to navigate to the download site. If you are a new user, you can create an account here. Creating an account allows you to access the download site and will also help us to inform you as new releases become available. If you have already created an account, use the link on the left to access the site with your account credentials. Complete the registration form by providing your email as a username and a password. Your email will not be shared with anyone or used for any purpose other than to alert you about StatTag's software updates. If you do not want to receive emails, do not check the first box. Please check the second box, agreeing to cite StatTag. StatTag has been developed under grant funding and should be cited within any manuscripts in which it is used. The About You section is voluntary and includes demographic information. Tracking the impact of the award is the key metric to demonstrate effectiveness. After submitting, you will receive an automated email from StatTag to confirm your account. Follow the link in the email and use your credentials to log in to the site. From the home screen, the most recent version of StatTag can be downloaded. Most users will use the 64-bit version, while a 32-bit version is also available for anyone operating on this platform. Previous versions of StatTag are also available, although we recommend using the most recent version in order to ensure up-to-date support and compatibility. Select the download link of the executable file to install StatTag. Double-click on the executable file to run the installer. The installer will guide you through the installation process. You will need administrator privileges on your computer in order to install StatTag. Once installed, StatTag will appear as a program in your control panel. To verify that StatTag has been installed, open Word and look for the StatTag toolbar in the ribbon. Click on the About link to verify the version downloaded. StatTag is now installed.